Hello, Forex traders. Hello, 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 hello. You are welcome to today's broad. Today, Traders Focus episode 3. Traders Focus is a series of videos that has to do with analysis. We are looking at what we did for the previous week and what we should be expecting, the pairs we should be expecting trading on the common week. In the common week, usually the traders analysis is usually done at the weekend so that we will be able to examine what we did the previous week, then what we should be expecting the market to do the following week. So you're welcome to Traders Focus episode 3. Before we move to the nitty-gritty of the day, because I want this video to be as short as possible, please click the like and subscribe button and please keep sharing. Share, 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 share. The reason why you should share because you will motivate us to keep doing, bringing you more videos, more videos, more videos for your consumption, at least to help those people who are struggling, to tell you the truth in this business, because some of you are too attracted to hypes. Guys, the truth in this business is that the market is what it is. And here we tell you the truth. So guys, this week has been awesome, though some crazy move has happened, but I'm so excited, guys. So I want to share my screen with you guys. Sorry. I want to share my screen with you. Share screen. Done. So guys, you are welcome inside of my screen. This is Living on Forest. So I want to start the analysis. So I want to let you know the pairs we are looking at. First of all, the three pairs I will do analysis on today is gold, GBP, JPY, USD, JPY, and maybe that three. I have gold, I have GBP, JPY, USD, JPY, and I also talk a little about the Euro USD. So first of all, let's start with the Euro USD. Euro USD. Sorry guys, the thing is taking time to pop up because of network has not really been okay. So guys, within the week, we are so excited that to let you know that GBP JPY band gave us very good profit. We rode the trend for over 250 pips below. The market was keep tanking. GBP JPY, that trade alone has helped us to recover what we lost the previous week. See, one sweet thing about swing trading is when you swing trade, okay, one trade alone can make you have good return of investment. One trade alone can actually can change your account, can make you pass your profit challenge, because you will be making serious profit. I tell you. Imagine that you lost 5 trades and your risk to reward is my risk to reward is nothing below 1:5. So imagine I lose 5 trades and just hit 1 trade. Sometimes 1:50, sometimes 1:10, 1:7, 1:5, 1:20. That's the kind of trade I need. So you can only get that when you swing trade. And if you're not patient, you cannot swing trade, because one, for your setup to come takes time, but at least once in a week, you will see some setups. Two, the ability to hold trade, even when you think that it's taking time. You can hold trade 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week. But it's worth it. It's worth the wait, because it relieves you of clicking button here and you're looking for trade that is not working, just like some day traders do. You go to 15 minutes time frame, go to 30 minutes, and those time frame that you have a lot of noise, you do analysis and you do entry before you know market takes you out, still go to where it wants to go and all of that. I don't have that strength. So I decided to streamline like myself to swing trading because this is where I have relaxed mind. And besides, if you're working, if you're doing other things that keeps you busy, swing trading is the go-to. Because if you are day trading, you have to be on the charts, take trades, close by in the evening. If you don't have that time, you have other things that you're doing. You can just come, make your analysis and wait for your entry. Once your entry comes, you can hold your trade while you go about your business. Maybe you can check it once in a day and all of that. So guys, enough of that. The chart has popped up. This is Euro USD. Now I told you guys that Euro USD, Euro USD, it gives us this head and shoulders pattern on a weekly time frame. And over 6 months plus since May 2022. Okay, let's say since this period, 2023, January 2023, the market has been on a nasty range. It is ranging, but inside that range is still within the head and shoulder structure. It has not devalidated it. I always tell you, until the market devalidates this head and shoulder structure, the trend has not changed. And if you look on an overall trend line is down, the market is below. So we are still bearish. But there's something I'm seeing recently. This market has consolidated way too long. Something is going to happen. And when it happens, this is like it's steaming. A car wants to travel from one state to another. Steam for like 15 minutes before the driver kicks the car. That is what is happening. This pair is accumulating. When it starts trending, guys, it will bank pips after pips. I tell you that. And if you're on that move, guys, you're going to make so much money. Even with a small $100 account, you enter mini lot size. Guys, before the move finishes, you might be seeing something less than $500 to $700 in your account. I'm telling you for sure because this is what I've been doing. This week, guys, GBP JPY with 12 point, I posted the videos on one of my channels with $12.5, $12.21 in one of my account, one small account I just put. I saw the entry and I entered that trade, GBP JPY. Guys, that's the power of swing trading. Do you know that at the close of that trade, what was in that account was $115 from 12.21. I have the video. I think I will try to see if I can post the video on this channel so that you will be able to see a short video on it, just a short video on it. You'll be able to see what I'm saying, that is result. So I will show you the trade where we took the trade. But however, Euro USD is steaming, and when it's going to pump, if you calculate from here the range zone, it has been moving here within this range from this red line to this place. It has been moving for over close to 1 year now. The market has been January 2023. This is 2024 September. So close to a year plus, the market is in this range. Anytime the market, this is the right shoulder. Anytime the market gets to that right shoulder, it drops. Now, if you go to the daily time frame, the move may have probably wants to start, but I don't know until the market breaks this zone. Until the market breaks this zone, then the move have started. But as far as the market is hitting here and here, you can avoid trading, or if you know how to trade, those guys who trade short time frames, you know how to do the analysis, fine. But don't stay too long on Euro USD because the market is ranging. Unless you catch the trade here, just as it has dropped here on this sell, you can leave it. You can leave it because the market might come here and break. But I know, is it going to break to the upside, out of the range, or the downside? I'm 80% that the market is, when the market breaks, it will break this downside and trend below. Then 20% of the 20% that is going to break this upside and pump to the upside. But I know I'm more confident that it will break to the downside. The reason is because recently the USD pair, the USD has been weak and the euro has been strong. And if you watch any other pair that the dollar is paired with, they are riding the dollar. But Euro USD, that be expecting Euro USD to go to the upside and break all the structure and move, but it's not doing that. It has been consolidating, telling you that they don't want to go beyond this zone. They want to hold the structure and put this market below. So once US starts gathering momentum, once US starts gathering strength now, you'll see the market dropping. So if you go to the daily time frame, it's already giving us a pattern. Impulsive retracement. In a daily time frame, we are seeing a trend forming. So if you want to join this trend, this new trend that is forming like this, what you will do is that you wait for the market to retest this red line again. So come to the 4 hours. You see, the market has tested it and it's pumping down. So if you want to take your trade now, it will be too far. Your stop loss will be too high. So you wait. You come down to maybe 1 hour time frame. And wait for a pullback to this region. And then when you see a rejection, either 1 hour or 15 minutes rejection or an engulfing by this region, you pull your trigger, set your stop loss a little bit above this place, and then ride the trend. So guys, that's just for Euro USD. My sentiment on Euro USD is still bearish. Looking at what's going on, the market is likely to break to the downside. So let's go to the pairs we are going to analyze for today. Euro JPY. So let me clear this chart. I predicted, remember, Euro JPY was the pair I predicted in my first trader stock video 2 weeks ago. And then what happened? Ever since I did the analysis, this is the entry, this is the analysis. This is where I call out the trade. Remember this stop I draw here, I call out the trade, the market drop. And since then, if you calculate how the market has moved, for you guys, swing traders who are still holding this trade, from where I predicted the market here to where the market currently is, this is over. Let's see. The market has fallen. Whoa. Guys, what am I seeing? The market has fallen over 4,000 pips, guys. 4,000 pips. 4,000 pips. Can you beat that? 4,000 pips. The market has fallen 4,000 pips. Monday, 17th August. And today is September. The market has fallen 4,000 pips. So if you are on this trend, guys, you would have been on box, serious box. But then this is another entry we took off of this region, and the market has dropped ever since. This is on September 24. This week that just rounded up, I entered this trade there. The market banked over 242 pips below. And so now, what should we be looking at? This Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is close to this support zone, and that is why you are seeing these spins all over the place. So guys, no trading on this pair yet. Wait for the market to get to this region, and then if it breaks it below, you can start riding the trend, joining the trend. Do we have a reason that it's going to break? Well, we do not know. But however, from what I'm seeing, even if the market will break this region, because of this rejection, the market will go a little bit up, and then it will drop. It will have to go and test, gather liquidity somewhere, and then drop. That is how the forex market moves. If it's trending, if it moves and break a zone, it will just go a distance off of that zone and then come back aggressively to test, to gather liquidity. So probably it will come to places that a lot of people have their stop loss. So if, assuming you are on buy, and then your stop loss is very close to the support line, what usually happens is that the market will go below that support line so that it will take out all the orders there. That's the liquidity. Your buy trade, when it goes up, it becomes sell. Your buy trade, when it goes out, it's a sell. So as they are selling, it's pulling the market and they are gathering momentum, liquidity. And it also gives them more price, a better price to buy. They want to buy that market. You are not the only one seeing that is buy. They also want to buy, but they don't want to buy on a high price. They want a discount. So that discount, the dealer gives a discount. The person, the buyer who was in charge of the market, who started the move, he's still in control of the market, guys. That is the logic. So what happens that the market has gone too long. If he wants to sell more, he will do what? Give discount. And then the market will drop as if he wants to change trend. But that man is still in charge of the market. So what happened is that he pulls the trigger to a point, gather liquidity, and then everything will start going back up. By then, they have gotten a good price to do what? To buy. And then you start seeing them pulling down the order. And that is when you see the market aggressively moving to that direction. So if what they call it, Euro JPY breaks this region here, then we know it's coming this way. So don't trade Euro JPY for now. Allow it to break this region. But when it gets to that region, we'll now see what we should be looking at. So sorry about my lines. I think they are a little bit too much, but however, I will do a fresh analysis when it gets to gold so that we'll use that as a yardstick. Okay, so let me remove these stores for you. Okay, so you know that GPP JPY, we caught GPP JPY during this move. So when we saw this move, we saw that it's about coming down. Like GBP JPY is about changing trend because Euro JPY has changed trend. USD JPY has changed trend. So GBP JPY will follow suit. And the move just started here. So we spotted the move, allowed the market to drop and came back to this region. So once I identified that this is a trend, it's forming a trend on a daily time frame, impulsive retracement, and this is a 50% retracement. Then the market has started the second move. So what we just did was that these lines are my support and resistance zone. So just came to the 4 hours to look at what is going on. So we were able to catch this trade somewhere around here and rode the trend, and the market bounced. So guys, what should you be expecting? What should you be expecting to trade? When do you expect to join the trend? Now, this is what you do. I use this triangle to box this region. The reason is because the market has been struggling. Whenever the market comes down, it has been struggling to break this region. So we'll wait for the market to break this box. Let's extend it a little bit. So wait for the market to break this box, then come to a lower time frame. You see what is happening? When the market gets there, goes up, reject off of that zone, came back, and we are seeing all those spins. So for now, hands-free, I'm looking at this pair very, very well. Once the market breaks this region, then we know that we are going to this. This is where we are targeting. This is where we are waiting for it to come to. This is this region. This region is where we are expecting, and this is over how many pips? Let's calculate. So once the market breaks this region, we know that the market is going to fall more. It's going to fall to at least to this region. And you know GBP JPY is liquid. It's a very liquid pair. Small move, small space like this gives you good number of pips. My network is bad, guys. So it gives you good number of pips for you to join the trend, for you to ride the trend. So the JPY pairs are pairs you should be looking at. For those of you that are swing traders, guys, JPY pairs is what you should be looking at. That's the only pair that is trending right now. GBP JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY. Those are the pairs you should be looking at trading. I repeat, don't go and trade Euro USD and say you want to ride. Don't ride anything yet because it has not started. It's ranging. GBP USD is ranging. It's only leave it for those day traders who are trading, looking at for 50 pips and below. They will always have entry. The market will always give you entry, whether it's ranging or not, it will give you entry. So it depends on the kind of trader that you are. You now be able to spot what you want to spot. But for those of you who are swing traders, your entry may not always come. It's always better that you are patient. When you are patient, when you are patient, you'll be able to. When you are patient, you'll be able to. When you're patient, you'll be able to. When you're patient, you'll be able to trend. When you're patient, you'll be able to. You'll be able to hold the trade. You will reap the fruit of your labor. Don't worry, others will be trading. Others will be trading. Don't worry. But when your own comes, you are going to bang. You will make money because that trade alone, somebody who is trading, maybe making 5 trades, 6 trades, definitely Forex is a probability game. They might lose 3 and win 4, or they might lose 3 and win 3, or they might even lose 4 and win 2. But you that has that one trade, that you are patient and the market keeps you set up, you can ride the trend and make profit that those people who have been trading every day will not make. So imagine that GBP JPY. Somebody who is a day trader will not make that amount of money and I made in just one trade. The market for just in 2 days, the market gave us that number of profits. That's the benefit of swing trading. But will your entry always come? The answer is no. So it's only for those patient guys who are patient. You've gotten your edge, you know what you are looking at for in the market. Wait for this to set up. And only trade pairs that are trending if you want to swing trade. Don't trade pairs that are ranging. You will lose your money. That is enough for the wise. Sorry, guys. So the next pair we want to do analysis. Okay, USD JPY, I told you is a sell. So what should you be looking at? The market is going down. So this is where the market is coming to. We wait for the market to come to this region, this 137.947 region. Once the market comes to that region, observe what the market will do. If the market breaks this region, then we know that this is where it comes. The market move from zone to zone, guys. So it's possible that when the market comes here, it will do some, go up again, gather some liquidity before coming to break it. That's how the market behaves. When it gets to a zone, a strong zone, it will pull back. And then maybe if it wants to break it finally, it will go to somewhere where there is liquidity, gather liquidity, and come back aggressively to take it out. That's how the market behaves. So if the market breaks this region, the next region we should be looking at is this zone. And between here and here, guys, that is good amount of pips. Okay, let's calculate. From here to this region, this is over 900 pips, guys. 900 pips, guys. Guys, if you're able to hold this trade can change your life. Imagine you are trading 900 pips with a standard lot size. Oh, that is a very big money. 900 pips, mini lot size is $900. 900 pips, micro lot size is $90. Mini lot size $900. Standard lot size $9,000. $9,000 in one trade can change your life, especially for those of you who have not touched million before, who have not gotten millions in your account before. All right, so GBP USD JPY is sell. As you can see, it has broken our trend. If before it was buy, everybody knows that this pair has been on buy. It was going to up. It was always going up like as if it's going to heaven. But however, as the JPY pairs gather momentum, the market pulled this resistance and then dropped. And ever since then, okay, you can keep one of these. So market broke, market broke and then dropped. And then we're expecting the market to keep dropping because the move for USD JPY just got started, guys. It just got started. So eyes on this pair, USD JPY, GBP JPY, eyes on this pair, guys. We are going to make more money, so much money on them. I'm not trading anything again. Only USD JPY and GBP JPY. The reason is because the moves are early. And my eyes is still on Euros USD, watching what is going to happen because I want to catch the move. Guys, if you catch the move early, hey, last year I banked GBP NZD for 800 pips because I caught it early. See, guys, if you catch the moves early now when it started, don't worry yourself. Go and sleep. Hold that trade. In fact, hold it with your life. Don't close. Once you have broken even on that trade, the market will move zone to zone. When it gets to some zone, it will do like if it's reversing. It's going to gather momentum and drop. That is why you just keep holding your trade. When you get to a particular point where you know, when you see the behavior, you are satisfied with the profit. When you close that trade, your account must have 10x, not even doubled, not even tripled. It's 10x. That is the power of swing trading, and it's very sweet. But do you have the patience to hold the trade? Do you have the patience for your entry to come? Most times, what actually, especially me, what actually affects me is patience. And the reason why I later discovered the reason why that is the case. Guys, if you put your family problem in forex, you will never have that patience. We know that in Nigeria, the economy is too bad and people want to make money as soon as possible. We want to make money as soon as possible. But the truth is that if you put your mind on forex in order to save you from poverty, guys, you will not have that patience. And when you don't have that patience, you will lose a lot of. Before that your entry comes, you must have taken junk trades. And before you know it, guys, when the entry now set up, you don't have money in your account to trade again. So patience is a virtue for swing traders. But for day traders, can do what you want to do. Everything is allowed in trading. So if I look at this point here, it seems that the market has broken it. But however, this is just a minor zone. I don't do with the 4-hour zone that much. I prefer the bigger time frame zones because these are the zones that does the trick. So USD JPY, what should you be looking at trading USD JPY? Okay, so wait for the market to come down to this zone and probably break it. Then before you think of shorting. So for now, hands free, but eyes on it. JPP USD, GPP JPY, USD JPY, and gold. These are the three pairs. Euro JPY, the same thing. Euro JPY, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and gold. But the best ones I prefer now that I should be taking my trade is GBP JPY for sale, USD JPY for sale. I'm only looking at the sales. So I will be patient to wait for market to come to my zone. So if the market does not come to my zone, no trading. Guys, that is discipline. Until market forex deal with you, be disciplined. In fact, discipline, no matter if you read the best trade discipline, go and read the book Trading in the Zone. That book tells you the discipline that you need. That book tells you the discipline that you need. But then, if no matter that you have different textbooks, different mentors that tells you about discipline, there are some discipline you just learn by yourself, that you just tell yourself the truth. Because when you're hearing it, it's just be, okay, it's making sense. But application will be difficult for you. But then when you apply discipline, like you lost trades, you've lost a lot of trades. The market has bited you, the market has beaten you left, back, and center. Then you will now tell yourself that, guys, I don't want to lose money again. I don't want to lose money again. I want to be disciplined. I want to wait for that my entry to come. That's the only time you will be disciplined. I'm telling you this stuff. It's life and direct. Get it from living on forest, life and direct. The market has taught me a whole lot of lesson. In fact, discipline is a big problem for me. Discipline was a big problem for me. I know they analyze the market. I know how to predict the direction and whatever. But because I wasn't disciplined enough to wait for my entry, I keep on making junk trades and I keep on losing. So I was asking myself, can I make a living out of this business? The truth is that when I started relaxing, folding my hands and watch the market, waiting for that thing, I said, this thing must happen before I take this, pull the trigger. I started seeing different results in my trades. I started seeing that any trade I take, waiting for my setup to come, the trade always bang. But those trades I take with maybe I'm not disciplined, I'm not patient. Because of patience, I lose those trades most times. Sometimes 60% of the time, 70% of the time, those trades are lost. So I'm talking to you now on this trader stock episode 3. I'm using this trader to why we do analysis. I still want to talk to you as a trader. Understand the kind of person you are. Are you a worker? Are you a business person? Do you have time? If you have time, the trading should be your call. But if you don't have the ability to watch your trade going on a loss, as in the spiking everything, then the trading might not be okay for you. Because the reason is because the trading, you will be able to do what? You'll be able to hold enter short trades and exit. So the possibility that your stop loss will be hit as soon as possible is there. But swing trading can hold your trade for days. Now, this is gold. Gold has broken these all-time highs. It did that this week. It was aggressive. It put boom. So what should you be looking at trading? Guys, okay, let's do a fresh analysis. Let's do a fresh analysis on gold. Remove drawings so that you will see how to, for those of you who do not know how to analyze the market, I want to show you now. Now you come to a monthly time frame. This is the trend. So we have identified that gold is on bullish, is on buys. So we are just looking at the buys. So with the looking time frame, we come to our zones, our supply and demand zones. I use different colors from different one. So this is our resistance which has turned support. You know how we do it. We're always looking at where there is aggressive move. Aggressive move. Okay, so we can still take here because of this. This buyer is the one that's controlled the market that has moved up to that. So we'll come to daily time frame. Do we have any? Okay, this place can be the daily time frame support. So I use another color which is blue for daily time frame. So now, do we have any other place, any other major place? No, no, no. So do we have a trend? No trend, no good trend. Okay, so let's come to 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. Yes, this is a resistance on the 4 hours. So I use the red. So whenever I see the red, I know that this is a 4-hour time frame. I'm going to use this stuff for red. So This is our now, guys. So I'm done. How many minutes did it take me? Less than 1 minute. Guys, this is years of practice. Less than 1 minute, I've drawn my zones. And if you watch my zones, whenever market gets to my zones, guys, my zones always react, telling you that those are the liquid points. Because that is how I draw my zone. I look at volatility. Those places you have BB candles, and those things shows liquidity. So whenever market gets to that zone, because the beginning of those big candles shows that that is where the trigger, that is where they started putting the trigger. So whenever market comes to those zones, market will always react. I'm not looking at it's touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here 200 times. No. You see this point? You see this point? This is also a daily time frame zone. This point here. So if you see what happens, market came, touch it, drop, came, touch it, drop. Now, what you see in the future, whenever the market comes around that zone, look at what the market, you see how the market respected it. And that has been the zone the market is respecting. Whenever the market came here, touch it here, respected it here, respected it here, and is pulling. So you see, go and do this, practice this. Go and state your support and resistance to those environments where, my God. In those environments where you have this liquidity, you will see that market will always react when it gets to that zone. So that's how it is. So now, what should you be looking at trading this gold? Wait for gold to come down to this point aggressively, and then respect this pull. When it comes down, either it comes down a little bit here and gives you consolidation and push to the upside, or it will come down like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and come and aggressively break here. Then before the candle closes, it gives you a pin bar. Once you see that behavior, that's the trigger point. That's how I trade good. Once the market comes sharply to this zone and then breaks it as if it's going down, but before the candle closes, maybe 15 minutes candle or 1 hour candle, as the case may be, before the candle close, it gives you a strong rejection above this and goes back up. Pull the trigger, that is your entry. So it is kind of behavior, and then boom. That is what I'm waiting for good to do. Then I ride it to the upside. Don't worry, the market has gone up. Don't chase the market. Allow the market. Or this kind of behavior, it comes, move like a snake. You know that behavior, snake-like behavior. And then it come and this constitution. This kind of behavior, it will do like snake, move like this, move like this, chubby, come to this way, give you this kind of, now it's going straight, it's no longer coming down, it's going straight line like this, like horizontal. No longer, it could come like snake, and when it gets to the point, it started consolidating, it's no longer going down, it should just be going sideways. Then that is the point. You don't want to go below that point. That's the trigger. You wait for a trigger candle, and then you bang the market. That is how good behave. I'm giving you this free of charge. So next time when you have gold, next time when you want to trade gold, observe it. So the market has breaking and giving us a new all-time high. So we expected the market to come down. So if the market comes down, we'll ride it back to this upside, and our take profit should be around here, where the market is currently, where the market started the drop. That should form the new resistance. Okay, so if we want to calculate how many pips this will be from here to the new resistance, that's going to give us over 4,000 pips, guys. 4,000 pips. You see how we analyze the market? You see how many pips? See, guys, if you go to a higher time frame and do this analysis, you'll be able to see clearly what the market is doing. That is the fact. So we're waiting for gold to come back and give us entry below this region. Then we'll bang it to this side. We'll trade it up to this zone, and we'll take 4,000 pips out of it. 4,000 pips, micro lot size, we give you $40. Mini lot size is going to give you $400 sharp. Then standard lot size, you're going to have $4,000. That is it. So you see how patience, will give you pay you money. In forex, patience is the key. But patience does not mean that when you see your confidence, when you see your entry, you keep waiting. When you see your entry and the criteria has been met, take that trade. But be patient enough to wait for those setup to come. That is when you make the real money swing trading. So guys, you see how my zones are penned out. They are clear, no congestion in the chart. The chart is clean and straightforward. It takes me less than 1 minute to analyze this pair for you. So you'll be able to see what's going on. So anytime you want to do your analysis and you see that you go to a higher time frame, you could not see any direction in that pair, please run away. Run away, don't trade. So guys, GBP NZD gives us money. We recovered our accounts, the losses we made last week. Like I used to tell you guys, Forex is not always a roller coaster ride. Even the guys who are the big guys, who are trending, that is making money, buying Lamborghini in Forex and all that, they think they are wizard trader. They control the market. They don't control the market. They also have losses. Some of them doesn't put their loss. They do not put their loss on social media. When they are lost, they will go inside their share and hide. They will only come out when they are making profit. But that's not the right thing to do, because it's always good to tell people about the bad side of this business, so that when a person is coming in, you're coming in with the right mindset. It will not, sometimes you experience losing track. I've experienced losing track. It was as if village people was after me. When you place a trade, the market, immediately you enter, the market goes the opposite direction. Then you sell, the market is buying. If it's buying, the market is selling. It's just frustrating. And those kind of period, if you're not careful, your emotions will attack you. You're not just fighting the market again, your emotions are also involved. And before you leave it, you blow account back to. Guys, be careful. Understand that the business has ups and downs. But if you have testing your strategy, you back tested, you see that your strategy is at least 60% win. If your strategy is, relax. Don't change strategy. Don't go to the YouTube and start looking for the best new thing. There's nothing best new thing. Everybody, even that strategy you want to take, they also have its losses as well. So understand that is the loss. That is your own. That is when your own strategy is giving you that loss. But it doesn't mean that the strategy is not working. It's working. But then it's the ability for you to identify that it is a phase. And sometimes it's not like the analysis is right, is wrong, but sometimes the market wants to do what it wants to do. Sometimes you just see that a clear zone, everybody knows the market will spike, and it's not just spike a little bit, to spike like 200 pips below before going back. If you wonder what is going on, those are market manipulation. It happens. Sometimes news causes it, and some unexpected event causes it. But if your risk management is on point, your risk management is on point, your psychology is on point, don't worry, you make that money back. Because the only way I discover that I trade with emotion is if I'm risking too much on a particular trade. If I'm risking too much on a particular trade, guys, you see that I will not rest. My emotions will be attacked. So I've identified that I don't have good risk appetite. Like, I don't take careless risk. Like, I usually see what some people do on social media. You see, if $5,000 account, they are using 50,000 lot size, 20,000 lot size. That's crazy. I cannot do that, because that trade alone can wipe your account if it goes against you. So me, I cannot take that kind of risk. Every trader understands what the kind of trader you are. Take the kind of risks. Some people are already gamblers before they come into forest. They can lose money and nothing happens. They are okay, no problem. Those kind of people, they can take 50,000 loss size on a $5,000 account. No wahala. That is what they can. That is what they can take, as far as it doesn't affect your psychology. Because the major thing is that if your emotions are attacked in this forest, that is when you make irrational decisions, and irrational decisions is equal to account blown. Simple and direct. So guys, I've been able to talk to you. I decided to do this trader stock video with some tips that will help you, guide you, because I know a lot of guys are struggling, and I know the previous weeks the market has not really been acting very well, and probably a lot of people have lost money. But this week, at least some pairs behave very well and we made money. And then this week we are coming in. If you want to make money, don't go and trade USD pairs. Avoid them for now because of the crazy things that are happening. Relax. Trade GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, and gold. You can add USD, JPY with it. The reason is because the JPY is behaving well. So it would force the USD to behave well. But don't go and trade JPP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD. Leave those pairs for now. They are not ready to move. Just trade the JPY pairs. Focus on the JPY because that is what is trending. A trending market is one of the easiest market to trade. Don't go and start cracking your brain and trading ranging markets. You will lose your money if you're not a professional. Even when you're a professional, it's difficult. But trending market, wait for the pullbacks and enter your trade off of those pullbacks. You make money. And simple as like this gold now. What I'm waiting for is the pullback to this region. Once the market pulls back to this region, this is where I'm going. This is where I'm looking for my enter. I see this consolidation. I'm going up. I'm taking it back to the upside. So the pullbacks are what will pay you. So guys, let me unshare my screen right now with you guys. Okay, okay, let me unshare my screen right now with you guys. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for staying through to this video. Keep subscribing, like, and share if you like what we are sharing to this in this channel. Please, I'm sorry, the lights went off. That's Nigeria for you. I would like to see you in the next video. I'll be also sharing a small clip, a video clip, just a 1 minute video on the the GBP JPY trade we took. We grew $12.21 to $105 in just one trade, guys. That's over 200 and something pips trade. I will drop the video on this channel. So keep coming back, like, subscribe, and share. Please share. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Maybe probably I will talk about trading psychology and emotional control in Forex. What you need to know so that you will be properly guided. For those of you who are trading prop firm accounts, I have two prop firm I can recommend very well for you that will help you, that you will trade and make money, not the ones that are closing down. And if you want us to help you to manage your account, grow your account, can drop a message. Whatever you want, any pair you want us to analyze, drop a message below and we will do that right now. So thank you very much. And I'm Yam signing out.